If your truck or car feels sluggish and the check engine light is staring you down, you might be dealing with a turbo system issue that needs your attention right away. Today we are looking at code P00A4, which stands for Charge Air Cooler Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent on Bank 2. This is a generic powertrain code, meaning it applies to most OBD2 equipped vehicles with a turbocharger, whether you drive a Chevy, Ford, Toyota, or even a Volkswagen. To understand this, you need to know that a turbocharger is basically an air pump. It has a turbine driven by exhaust gas and a compressor that pushes air into the engine. Between them, there's usually a charge air cooler, often called an intercooler. Its job is to cool down that compressed air because cooler air is denser and gives you more power. The charge air cooler temperature sensor, or CACT, measures the temperature of the air coming out of that cooler. The powertrain control module, or PCM, uses this data to manage engine performance. Code P00A4 generates when the PCM detects an intermittent or glitchy signal from this sensor on bank 2, which is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. The symptoms can be frustrating. You might notice poor engine performance, a significant drop in fuel economy, or the vehicle might even go into limp mode to protect itself. If you drive a modern diesel, it might stop the diesel particulate filter regeneration process. The causes are usually a faulty sensor, damaged wiring, a restricted intercooler, or rarely a bad PCM. To fix this, you need to start with a visual inspection. Pop the hood and look at the sensor and its wiring. Check for loose connections or frayed wires. If that looks okay, you will need a scan tool. Monitor the sensor data. If you unplug the sensor, the value on your scanner should drop very low. If you then use a jumper wire to connect the terminals, the reading should jump to a very high temperature. If that happens, your wiring is good and the sensor is likely the problem. You can also use a multimeter set to ohms to measure the resistance of the sensor itself. As the engine warms up, the resistance should drop smoothly. If the engine gets hot but the resistance stays stuck, replace the sensor. You should also check for a 5-volt reference signal from the PCM using your multimeter. If you are not comfortable testing live electrical circuits, or if the wiring looks melted, that is the time to take it to a professional mechanic. This system is vital for your turbo's health, so do not ignore it. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting that power back.